Today, India witnessed a historic moment as Justice Bhushan Ramakrishna Gavai took oath as the 52nd Chief Justice of India at Rashtrapati Bhavan.
मैं
भूषण रामकृष्ण गवई
जो भारत के उच्चतम न्यायालय का मुख्य न्यायमूर्ति नियुक्त हुआ हूँ,
जो भारत के उच्चतम न्यायालय का मुख्य न्यायमूर्ति नियुक्त हुआ हूँ,
A journey from the slums of Amravati to the pinnacle of the Indian judiciary. Justice Gavai's swearing in marks a milestone for inclusion of justice. In a solemn ceremony, President Draupadi Murmu administered the oath of office to Justice Gavai, who took the affirmation in Hindi, symbolizing his deep connection to the nation's ethos. The event was graced by India's top leaders, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, and former President Ram Nath Kovind, reflecting the significance of this moment for the nation's judiciary. By Justice Gavai's side were his pillars of strength. His 84-year-old mother, Kamlatai Gavai, his wife, daughter, and son, Kamlatai, who witnessed her son's rise from humble beginnings, later shared that his success is a testament to hard work and the service to the poor. Justice Gavai's mother, a symbol of resilience, watched proudly as her son took on the mantle of India's highest judicial office, a moment she described as a reward for his dedication. Following the ceremony, Justice Gavai headed back to the Supreme Court of India, where he paid a heartfelt tribute to two architects of modern India, Mahatma Gandhi and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. As the first Buddhist and second Dalit Chief Justice, this tribute held special significance, reflecting Justice Gavai's commitment to equality and justice. Justice Gavai has often credited Dr. Ambedkar's legacy of affirmative action for his remarkable journey, a sentiment that resonates deeply with millions across India. Born in Amravati, Maharashtra on November 24, 1960, Justice Gavai's path to the Chief Justice chair is one of grit and determination. From practicing law at the Bombay High Court to serving as a Supreme Court judge, since 2019, he has been part of nearly 700 benches delivering landmark judgments on issues like bulldozer justice, Article 370, and electoral bonds. Known for his bold and emphatic rulings, Justice Gavai has vowed to tackle case pendency, promoting diversity in judicial appointments, and uphold constitutional values during his 6 months tenure. As Justice B.R. Gavai steps into his role as the 52nd Chief Justice of India, the nation looks to him to uphold justice, equality, and the rule of law. With his family's love, Ambedkar's legacy, and Gandhi's ideals guiding him, this is a new chapter for India's judiciary.